Alright guys, today we are going to be having a little fun here on AirFryTilIDie. We are going to be making a s'more sandwich, I guess you would call it, using a Smucker's Uncrustable chocolate flavored hazelnut sandwich and some jet puffed marshmallows. So we are going to go ahead and fire up the new wave. Turn it on, get it preheated up to, gonna do 375, and preheat, get that going. And when we're preheating, we will go ahead and prep the sandwich and marshmallows. So as you can see, what I've done, I cut the sandwich in half, kind of popped it open, created a little pouch. I've already done this one, filled it full of mini marshmallows, just kind of cram them down in there best you can. And as soon as the oven is preheated, we'll pop that bad boy in there. Alright guys, the air fryer is preheated. We are now going to put these into the air fryer. Open her up. Place them in position 1, and we are going to just try, I guess. It's kind of trial and error right now, honestly. I've never done this, so we are going to go with 4 minutes. Turn on the light so we can see, and yeah, we'll see what the finished product looks like. So 2 minutes in, guys, the bread appears to be crisping, marshmallows expanding and the chocolate melting. So far so good. Alright, so there's the end of the 4 minutes. And take a peek, see what we got going here. Looks good. Bread is toasted, marshmallows are toasted, and chocolate appears to be melted. So I'm going to get these out, plate them up, and we'll see what it looks like. Here we have the finished product. We're going to go ahead and give it a test. Crispy, definitely. Marshmallows melted. Oh, chocolate melted as well. Good. Thanks, guys.